Welcome back to CarWow 787, where horsepower, heavy machines, and diesel dominance are always in the spotlight. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join the crew that lives and breathes machines that shake the earth. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most iconic, powerful, and respected earth-moving machines in the world, the legendary Caterpillar D11R or Bulldozer. When you think of brute force in the construction or mining world, the CAT D11R is what comes to mind. This isn't just a bulldozer, it's a beast with steel skin and a diesel heart that's built to rip through rock, level mountains, and move material like it's nothing. The D11R was engineered for the kind of jobs that chew up smaller machines and spit them out. Whether it's mine sites, big earth-moving operations, or industrial work, this machine means business. The CAT D11R weighs over 100 tons and stretches more than 35 feet in length. That's bigger than a lot of city buses. At its core is a powerful CAT 3508B diesel engine, which is a V8 powerhouse capable of producing up to 850 horsepower. That may not sound extreme in the world of sports cars, but when you're moving a machine this heavy with that much torque, it's a whole different kind of performance. The D11R doesn't need to go fast. It needs to go hard, and it does. The torque is where the magic happens. The low-end grunt of this machine is so intense that it can push mountains of earth, clay, and rock with ease. It's like having a freight train on tracks made of steel plates. The blade in front of the D11R is enormous. The standard SU blade, short for semi-universal, has a capacity of about 45 cubic yards. That's more dirt than you can imagine in one scoop. It can push massive loads, slice through compacted soil, and still stay balanced thanks to its strong undercarriage and wide track base. The ripper at the back of the D11R is no joke either. It's designed for breaking through hard-packed earth, frozen ground, or even fractured rock. With a single shank or multi-shank configuration, this ripper delivers devastating force deep into the earth. Operators often say that you can feel the ground shake when the D11R starts ripping, and that's not an exaggeration. But power alone isn't what makes the D11R special, it's also the engineering. Caterpillar designed this machine with durability and serviceability in mind. The modular components, the high-mounted final drives, the sealed and lubricated track rollers, it's all meant to reduce wear, extend service life, and allow mechanics to get back to work faster when something needs repair. This machine was made to last in extreme conditions, not just for years but for decades with proper maintenance. The operator's cabin, despite being inside such a rugged machine, is surprisingly comfortable. Caterpillar knew that long shifts on the job site mean fatigue, and fatigue leads to mistakes. So, they designed the cab with ergonomic controls, air suspension seating, and great visibility. The D11R may be brutal on the outside, but it treats its operator with some serious respect on the inside. Fuel economy for a machine this size isn't going to win any awards, but Caterpillar worked on optimizing burn rates through fuel mapping and efficient hydraulics. Even so, you're talking about a machine that can burn through gallons by the minute when it's working at full power. But for the work it accomplishes, there's really no comparison. It replaces multiple smaller machines, gets the job done faster, and handles the most demanding jobs without flinching. Another thing that makes the D11R such a standout is its role in the real world. You'll find this machine on some of the toughest job sites on the planet, mining gold in Australia, pushing coal in Wyoming, building infrastructure in Africa, or clearing debris from natural disasters in the US. It's not just a bulldozer, it's a symbol of raw industrial power and precision. The D11R is also a popular platform for custom modifications and rebuilds. Because of its long-standing legacy and the continued availability of parts, many operators choose to overhaul older D11Rs and bring them back to life. New paint, rebuilt engines, upgraded hydraulics, modernized cabs, these bulldozers can live multiple lifetimes with the right investment. In 2026, even with all the talk of electrification and automation, the D11R still holds a place of honor in the fleet of many operators. While newer versions like the D11T or D11XE with electric drive systems are entering the market, the R series remains a fan favorite for those who value mechanical simplicity and proven performance. There's just something about the roar of a CAT diesel engine, the hiss of hydraulic pressure, and the crunch of earth under steel tracks that hits differently. For heavy equipment fans, the D11R is a machine you never forget. Whether you're watching it rip through ground on a job site or seeing it being trailered down a highway, it commands attention and respect. And then there's the visual. Watching a D11R in action is like watching industrial art. The slow, steady movement of a massive blade slicing through terrain. The ground cracking open beneath the ripper tooth. The exhaust puffing as the engine digs deep into the torque curve. It's not fast, it's not flashy, but it's powerful, purposeful, and unforgettable. Some machines are built for speed, others for comfort. But the CAT D11R Bulldozer was built for dominance. It's not just a tool, it's a force of nature wrapped in steel and diesel. Whether you're in construction, mining, land clearing, or just a fan of big iron, the D11R deserves its legendary status. Thanks for sticking with us through another deep dive into diesel power and mechanical excellence. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the Caterpillar D11R, give us a thumbs up, drop a comment about your favorite bulldozer, and don't forget to subscribe. We've got more insane machines, custom builds, engine battles, and gearhead content coming every single week. Until next time, keep it diesel, keep it dirty, and keep crushing it, just like the D11R does.